Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cyber Guy. Imagine chatting with AI directly in your terminal. No API key required. That's Tgpt, a powerful tool for developers, cybersecurity professionals, and anyone who loves automation. But with great power comes great responsibility. Let's explore how to install TGPT and also how to defend against AI assist cyber threat. Now, are you ready to just know how to install TGPT into your KaliLinux? Buckle up and let's get started. Learn cybersecurity in no time. The first thing that I want you to do, you can go to Google and then type TGPT, and then you're gonna go to this website, and then when you click on it, it's gonna just send you right here. At the same time, I want you to open your terminal. All right, gonna open our terminal, and then what we are going to do, we are going to copy this URL first, and then we can actually go to our change directory. You can type cd and then desktop, and then hit enter. Now we are in the desktop. If we just type ls, so this is the only folder that we have right now. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna type get clone, and then we are going to paste our the URL that we copied, and then hit enter. All right, so this is just downloading now into our desktop. Now if I type ls, you can see that I have tgpt, so I can just go to that folder, cd tgpt, then I can just do ls and see what is inside of tgpt. I see the install. We can just type chmod plus x install. All right, now let's try cd / install. Now this may take a while. I'll pause the video and be back once the installation is complete. Alright, welcome back. So now the installation is complete. They even tell us what to do. If we were to type run tgpt /h or help, you're gonna see all the things that you can do. We can just actually use it as a generative AI, where you ask generate text, pictures, and do so much. So now to just test it out, what we can do, we can just type tgpt and then whatever I want. I can say something like how 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 do I use nmap for scanning vulnerabilities, and then make sure that whatever you type, you put it into that quotation mark, because otherwise, it may not work. And then I'm going to hit enter. As you can see here, it just tell me all the thing I have to do, all this step by step. You can actually generate code and images. Now, while this is very important and this can just do a lot of automation, this can be useful for ethical hackers. But cyber security criminal may exploit similar AI tools, for automated attacks. So while AI can be used for good, people can use it like to craft email, create like a phishing email, like exploit script and brute force password. Now, what are the best practices? How do you, as a cybersecurity professional, can just stand against this? First thing, strong password. Strong and unique password will just help you to stop from AI driven brute force attack. Because if you use a unique password, and that gonna help you a lot. So multi-factor authentication. So just because somebody has your password, they're gonna need that other step to get into your system. Now, we have to verify AI generated security reports. So never blindly trusted automated findings. So always cross check them manually. Stay up to date, regularly patch your system to prevent exploitation of known vulnerabilities. Regardless of how sophisticated cyber attacks become, is the truth. 80% of attacks, if you were to trace them back, what will happen? You will see two things. The first one is human errors. Somebody click on something that they shouldn't. And the second thing is misconfigurations. Now, Tgpt is an impressive AI assistant tool for cybersecurity. But knowledge is your best defense. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and share for more cybersecurity insights. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.